He is my doppelganger. He is my doppelganger.
C'est mon sosie.
Bring him in. Bring him in.
Faites-le entrer.
Don't be late. Don't be late.
Ne sois pas en retard.
Get ready. Get ready.
Préparez-vous.
Move aside. Move aside.
Écartez-vous.
Never mind. Never mind.
Laisse tomber.
Behave yourself. Behave yourself.
Comporte-toi bien.
How come? How come?
Comment ça se fait?
How dare you? How dare you?
Comment oses-tu?
Rest assured. Rest assured.
Soyez rassurés.
As you wish. As you wish.
Comme vous voulez.
Consider it done. Consider it done.
Considérez que c'est fait.
Come closer. Come closer.
Approchez-vous.
I just turned 12. I just turned 12.
Je viens d'avoir 12 ans.
I missed her. I missed her.
Elle m'a manqué.
What can I do? What can I do?
Que puis-je faire?
She is furious. She is furious.
Elle est furieuse.
Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate.
N'hésite pas.
Don't tease me. Don't tease me.
Ne me taquine pas.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
N'aie pas peur.
Try your luck. Try your luck.
Tente ta chance.
I am on your side. I am on your side.
Je suis de ton côté.
Don't borrow money. Don't borrow money.
N'emprunte pas de l'argent.
Don't preet. Don't preet.
Ne fais pas semblant.
This is my job. This is my job.
C'est mon travail.
Drop me home. Drop me home.
Déposez-moi à la maison.
He is ruthless. He is ruthless.
Il est impitoyable.
I will stay here. I will stay here.
Je vais rester ici.
Glad to see you. Glad to see you.
Content de te voir.
It's a long story. It's a long story.
C'est une longue histoire.
He is my doppelganger. Glad to see you. He is my doppelganger. He is my doppelganger.